Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to terminate active sessions on Telegram app. Go to your phone menu, find the Telegram app and tap on it. Click on the left menu. Now go to Settings. Under Settings section, tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to Security section. Under Security section, tap on Active Sessions. Here you can see all the active sessions of Telegram. Now tap on a session to terminate. Tap on Terminate. As you can see, selected session has been terminated. This is how you can terminate active sessions on Telegram app. Thank you for watching.